Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast for February 2020. We'll start off with temperature and we'll move our way into precipitation. You can see various colors on the screen, I'll explain them. On the west coast, into parts of the Gulf, southern Texas, pretty much California into southern Texas, the darker red is above average temperatures. Expect above average temperatures in this region. It will be noticeable. And in the more yellow region, spreading from northeast into Florida, pretty much all Florida, is where you should see slightly above average temperatures, where it may be noticeable in some areas, but it may not be as noticeable in some areas. It could be like a 1 to 2 degree difference, which makes a big difference, but still. You can also see there's a small region of slightly above average temperature in the northeast, specifically around Boston, Rhode Island, parts of Connecticut, where it won't be noticeable, but it'll be there. Now you can see in the central to northern United States and the Great Lakes is slightly below average in that aqua region, spreading from Montana into parts of Ohio and Michigan. And you can see a darker blue in North Dakota, South Dakota, and western Minnesota, where you have a more significant below average layer there, where it will be noticeable. Now, at times, it may be colder, and at times it may be warmer, which it evens out. I know in a couple of days, for my area in southeast Wisconsin, it's supposed to get into the 40s, but that's gonna quickly de-escalate into the 20s. Moving on to precipitation, you can see various colors. We'll start off on the west coast. Pretty much California, coastal California, I should say, and far southern Nebraska, far southern Nevada, and western Arizona is below average precipitation. It will be noticeable. You may go like 4 or 5 days without precipitation. And you can see that's in that dark brown, but in the lighter brown spreading from the northeast into Texas is slightly below average precipitation, but it won't be as noticeable. We have another layer of slightly below average precipitation in the Great Lakes area, Wisconsin, Michigan, Illinois, parts of Indiana, Ohio, Minnesota, Iowa. All those states could experience below average precipitation. Now, this could vary, like it could shift south, could shift east, could shift west, but this is the generalized area we're looking at for right now. You can see the light green layer in Florida, Louisiana, spreading up the east coast is above average precipitation. It won't be as noticeable on the east coast, but I'm pretty sure once you start getting a lot of rain or snow, but right now it's supposed to be, there's going to be a lot of nor'easters coming up the coast, which is why that above average layer is there. There is also another above average layer in Montana, Idaho, North Dakota, South Dakota, Wyoming, far northern Wyoming, is where you have that slightly above average precipitation. It will be more noticeable than the East Coast, but still not noticeable enough for a second layer. That's your February 2020 forecast. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe for more weather content. I'll see you in the next video, which probably won't be tomorrow. I'll say that. There probably won't be a video tomorrow since this is a double upload today. But there will be a video Thursday. Goodbye.
Back to the